How to turn your knowledge in an online business. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can turn your knowledge into an online business, because this is what I've been doing for the last 6 years. I started my first online business teaching people about music production because I knew a lot about music and how to make music on a computer, and so I created an online business that allowed me to become financially free and make over 6 figures just by sharing my knowledge and selling my knowledge. So in this video I'm going to share with you the things that have worked for me and are still working to this day. So the first thing that you need to do, if you have knowledge about a specific subject, is that you need to pick your niche. You don't want to be talking about everything and anything that you know, but you want to focus on a specific subject. Maybe you have some knowledge in some kind of hobby, some sport, some skill that you have that you want to share about, and you need to be specific about what is it that you want to talk about and on what subject you want to help people. Once you have niched that down, you need to create an offer, because how to turn your knowledge into a business, for it to be a business, you need to have something to sell. You need to be able to make money from it, and that's why it becomes a business. If you cannot make money from your skill or from your knowledge, it stays a hobby. It's not a business, right? So we need something to sell to make money. And so we need to create an offer. And how we can create an offer with knowledge, basically the easiest way to do that is to create an online course. So you're going to create a series of videos that take people from the point 0 to the point 1, helping them achieving the transformation that they're looking for, helping them solving their specific problem. You can do that with an online course. You can also do a coaching program. You can do some kind of consulting or mentoring. But for me, the easiest way is to create an online course, because you create this course once and then you can sell it many times without having to work more, or it doesn't cost you anything more. So that's really great. So your offer will be your online course. You can also add some bonuses, for example, some support, some coaching call with you, or other resources that people can access to in order to achieve the transformation that they're looking for. It can be like many things. And the offer it needs to have a good promise. The promise is basically what result are you promising those people. For example, me in my music production business, my online course's promise was how to become a pro producer in 50 days. So there's like a specific result that we are promising, and that's the product. The product is the promise. So you want to, once you have chosen your specific niche, then try to find out what is the #1 problem of people that are in your niche, and then create a product around that based on your knowledge. And it's quite simple to create an online course. You can just record your screen or your computer, have a slideshow or like a PowerPoint or something like that. And you don't need any money to invest to create this course. Like, you can just get started or record video with your phone and create like a series of video. It doesn't need to be super long, but just enough for it to give the result that people are looking for. Now, once you have your niche, you have your offer, you have something to sell, now you need to promote that thing. And there are 2 main ways that we can use to promote this, to promote your online course or your offer, basically. The first one is to use social media and organic traffic. So to do that, you're going to post content on social media. It can be on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, or even through a blog with articles, creating valuable content that help people in your specific niche. This way you will attract to you the people that are interested by what you know and by what you have to share. And so those people might be also interested by buying your offer. So that's the first way to do it. Now, how to find ideas for content, you can, I made another video on that subject. You can find it on my channel, but you want to look for the keywords that people are already looking for. For example, if you are in the, let's say, weight loss niche, people might be looking on Google for the keywords how to lose weight without going to the gym, how to lose weight without eating less, how to lose weight by doing this or by doing that, what exercise to lose weight. Those are all keywords that people are already looking for. And so if you come on the market and create content based around those specific keywords, you will attract the people that are already interested in solving their problem, and therefore they will be more likely to buy your coaching program, your online course, or whatever offer you have that solve their problem. The first way to promote your offer is by doing organic content, so posting content on social media. No, that is good, but it takes time and effort to be able to build a sustainable audience. And this is what I'm doing right now. I'm creating content because I hope that if you enjoy this video and you find it valuable, maybe in the future you will want to work with me. But the second way of doing this is to do that by advertising. And I would recommend that for people that already have a lot, not a lot, but a bit of experience, people that already have a proof of concept and already have a few customers, because doing some advertising can be costly, so you need to know what you are doing and you need to make sure that you are profitable. So that means that for every dollar that you spend in advertising, you should seek to make at least $1.5 in return to be profitable, right? So if you spend $100 in advertising, you should be making at least 150 back, so you are being profitable, right, after the cost, software and stuff like that. You can do that with Facebook ads. Also TikTok ads can work well, but I will recommend Facebook ads to promote your online course. YouTube ads can work really well as well, so that's something that you need to keep in mind. But basically you can use both. You can do free content and then you can also do paid advertising, and this, combining them together is really powerful. Now, you have your offer, your niche, you have your way to promote, but you need something to convert your subscriber, your followers, your viewers on YouTube to actually people that purchase your product. And to do that, you need to have a sales system. So that will be the way of selling your product. Me personally, I like selling by email, because when people are on social media, they're not really there to buy anything, they're not there to be sold. And so what I would usually do is have a free lead magnet, a free resource that people can access to if they put their email on my website, and then they will receive a free resource that's really helpful for them. And in the future, if I have something to promote, an offer that I have, I will let them know by email. So that's my sales system. There are a lot of sales systems out there. You can also do webinar, live conferences, you can do sales calls, like there are many sales systems out there. So it's really up to you, and this will really depend on the product that you have. If it's more like a high ticket product, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 that you're selling, it will be best to sell it on the phone. If it's a low ticket product, you can sell it through email. If it's a medium intermediate product, you can sell it like through live conference or webinars, stuff like that can work really well. So that's pretty much it. I think if you want to transform your knowledge into a business, you need to monetize your knowledge. So to do that, you need to create a product based around what you know, and ask yourself the question, what is it that you know that can be helpful to other people? What skills that you have that people might be willing to pay for? Or what are the questions that your friend usually asks you? Maybe you don't even know that you have some knowledge about a specific subject, but because you've been practicing it for so long that you forget that you're so good at it. But sometimes people come and ask you advice about that. Could be a good idea of business to start. If people are already asking you questions about specific things, it's a good indication that you have some expertise in that subject. And you don't need to be an expert, you just need to know a bit more than most people. Like if you read a few books about a specific subject and you watch a few YouTube videos on the subject, you will know more than most people, and therefore you will be, I would say, eligible to create a course and turn your knowledge into a business. And this type of business is really rewarding, because you are helping people every day, and so you will receive comments and messages of people that say, oh, thank you, you helped me so much. Like I receive a lot of these messages on my online business about music production, and it's really, I don't know, I'm grateful for that, because it's a great feeling to be able to make a living out of something by helping people. So that's great. Now, if you want to know more exactly how to do that, how to turn your knowledge into an online business, I created a free course for you, showing you step by step. It's like a case study where I analyze my music business and I show you exactly how I did it, how I was able to make 6 figures by turning my knowledge for music into an online business and selling online courses and making 6 figures per year. So the link is in the description. It's totally free. It's a free case study. You can access that. So click the link to access this free case study, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.